What's wrong with you? Come on, we gotta go.
It's Sunday. Do you look on your calendar? It literally
I
says
checked.
Sunday.
It's Monday, Corey. It's Monday morning. Come on, get your things, get going. Come on.
It's probably just your calendar. It's probably just messed up or something.
Why you always do this? Come on, you know we gotta move it. Grab your things, come on, get to it, Corey.
But I just don't want to do it. But I don't want to go. But it's literally Sunday.
It's not Sunday, you're always trying to get out of going to school. Come on, grab your things, girl. I'm not playing with you. Come on.
It's Sunday.
It's Monday.
It's Sunday.
It's Monday, Corey.
It's Sunday.
It's Monday. We gotta go. Come on.
Sunday.
It's Monday.
It's Sunday.
Stop it. Come on. Grab your things, get moving. I said, come on, girl. What are you doing?
It's Sunday.
It's Monday.
It's Sunday.
Who are you talking to? You know I'm still your mother, right?
Sunday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Girl,
Monday.
I'm gonna call your dad right now. If you don't come on, get in this car, you're gonna be taking a cab.
Look on your calendar. It's Sunday.